Hi friends, my name is AJ and I welcome you back on behalf of Exire. And if you want to visit all the videos and tutorials of this channel, you can visit exire.com, or even you can subscribe on YouTube to receive the future updates from YouTube regarding this channel. Also, you can share the videos freely if you want to spread the information and knowledge among others, as we do. This is our basic mission. And you can also visit exzi.re to shorten your URLs. Basically, exzi.re is the shorting URL shorting service is charted by Exire. This is free of charge. Nobody will be charge anything. So let's start with the video. Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to see that how to change this text or update the logo over here, and how to edit the information provided in these pages, static pages, whereas this information. So first we have to log into admin. So whatever your default path is, you have to add admin and then slash. So I'll use my username. I shall click save. So it's saying it is very important that you move your storage directory outside the web directory. This is. So guys, this is what was that? So this is not required for me at all, because I don't think because it will be affecting in any way, as this is just a demo and I have installed it for tutorial purpose. So I'm closing this window, and if you want, you guys move this in some other directory and whatever you'd like. So this is the dashboard, the admin dashboard, and first we are going to this system, then settings. This is your store by default. You can click on in settings you have a store list, then you can click on edit button to edit any settings. So if you want, I'll say my demo Opencart. I'll control A and copy this. So you can add meta description, whatever you want. You can use the default theme, or you can go to layout and then in design you can go to layout and you can choose some other theme. So as of now this is good. I'll not touch it. So the default layout is default. If you want to make some other layout as the default, say suppose if you want to display the manufacturer layout by default, you can choose that. So as of now we'll keeping this same as a default, and we'll be changing this in the future tutorials as and when required. So this was general, this was the title which has to be appear here. So I'll say localhost tutorials and Opencart. So this is in your store. When you click on save, it will be my demo OC, and store name is here. So this is the store name, and site owner Exire TUTORIA. Guys, you can mention your name over here. I'm just putting over this over here because we don't have anything to put over here. TUTORIA. Okay, so this was the email which I mentioned. You might change this to display it in the contact us page. Here this information, address and phone number. So info@my demo opencart.com. Number will be 9988776655, whatever. If you want to change the image, you can click on this, and for this first we'll have to make an image. Let's try it with MS Paint, and this image, guys, goes this is the default image. Say suppose whenever you add any product, So if you don't have these images, it will display this image. So we can keep it this one as of now. And what we will be doing, I'll close this because I'm not here to teach how to make images. So then we have my changes local. I'll be selecting as India, and say suppose Delhi, English, US dollar. These are the default currency, predefined currencies. We'll be changing currency and we'll be seeing the currency in other tutorials, in the coming tutorials. This is the length class. I don't have any use, so I'll keep it like this. We have options, category, product count. You want to show category product count. Say suppose here Mac has one, this category has this, so this category has two, and this category there is nothing in these categories. So it's just like you want to display the count or not. Default items per page 20, 10, whatever you want. Allow reviews, yes or no. Guest reviews, yes or no. So I prefer you still mark it as no, because if you'll allow guest reviews, you'll not be able to track the users. So try and keep it as no. Display prices with text, obviously. Shipping address, payment address, whatever you want, same here. If you want to show number of customers online, you can do this, but this will give a this will be a bad impression, because if there is no customer online, if I am the first customer visiting your website and if I'll see only one, that will give a very bad impression. So typically we don't display this. And one more reason is also that you don't want to display your insights, that how much your portal is being used, so that it is not under any critical threat. But it's up to you. If you want to show the customer activities, so if you want to track customers activity, you can click on yes. If you don't want, you can click on no. For now I'll click on yes, so that I can explain it in coming tutorials. If you want to log this, so I'll say you should log customer searches, because if customers are searching some option or some product on your website, you should be able to know what they are searching, so that you can update your product list as per that. So we have customer groups. I'll teach you all these things afterwards, because these are a bit complex things, and you don't want to get messed up at this point of time. So we'll be explaining these things one by one. So order status, by default should be pending. Checkout terms and conditions, you can make any one of them as a default. So guys, you can go through these options, and if you have any question, you can put down in comments, and I'll be coming up with the details of that particular option, because this is very vast and detailed CMS. So we don't want to waste your time. So whatever option you have, I'm just scrolling through all the options slowly. So you means you can install this Opencart and you can see all the options. If you have any specific question, you can come up. I'll save this so that you guys can see the changes. It's taking some time. Yep, it is saved. Now we'll have to refresh. So I have changed this, and what else I changed? Yeah, I changed. Okay, so it's the meta tag. You can go and you can click on Control U. So meta tag description. Where is meta tag? There must be somewhere here only. Okay, so I'll leave it for now. And these are the options. If you I'll explain one or two more options. So this one is maximum login attempts. Before this will block the account for next 1 hour, and this is invoice prefix as per your organization. Display weight, guest checkout, we'll click on no, because we don't want any customers to go without leaving their details, so that we can means we have a permanent customer for us. Order status, I told you. API user. What is API user? The API user is the default API user admin should use, so we'll keep it as default, otherwise some functions may not work. We should display stock, yes, because if there are certain less quantities and the user want, so he may purchase it early. You can show out of stock warnings. Okay, so this option is if there is no stock available and still you want to still users want to pre-order for the upcoming stock, you can click on this as yet, but I prefer you keep this as no, because sometimes products may not be available for a long time, and if customer has paid, then it will be after you, and if you are not able to provide the product in time, then he will be spoiling your reputation all over market. So this was it for today's tutorial. I'll click on save. Guys, my system taking a bit time, so now it's done. Yeah, so see you guys in next tutorial. Thank you. So guys, thank you for watching this video. You can visit exire.com if you want to see all the videos and tutorials from exire.com, and you can subscribe on YouTube if you wish to receive the future updates from YouTube regarding this channel. Also, you can share this video and spread the information and knowledge among others if you want to, and you can also visit exzi.re to shorten your long URLs. This is a URL shortening service provided free of charge by Exire to all the users. For more details, you can visit exzi.re. Thanks a lot.